Loose.
All right, so
That
bring
was-
it
that
loose
was-
again?
that was- Yeah. Don't worry, Paul's here.
Pop that one.
So we want to leave a couple of threads on it.
Yeah, just a few threads like usual.
Oh, we're back at the racket. Boy, what a racket he had.
Yeah, I got made some money.
How far down to loosen it?
Go till you got a couple threads left. Yeah, you gotta go a little more. I mean, if it comes all the way off, that's fine. You can put it back on if you have to. But yeah, go then break the other one loose, and then we'll pop both of them at the same time. Be easier. Yeah, see you're good there, Peter. If you want to go pop the other one.
Yeah.
No, do the other one on the other side. Go to the other side. The driver's side. Go over there.
It's a little
I need that bar again.
Oh, he's the bar. Bar's down here.
The bar?
Yeah, grab him the bar,
Which bar?
the breaker bar.
Oh, yeah.
And we gotta get the socket off the ratchet
Whoa.
again. Oh, we need you to do your. We need you to be He-Man.
Oh, you know, these wires.
Paul is
Now it's
He-Man.
covered with grease now.
Oh, what now?
Push in down
No,
What is
no,
that?
Yeah.
Why is there baling wire? Oh, we'll get into there next. We'll figure that out in a minute.
Okay. Is that like some kind of a fix?
Yeah, that's some kind of ghetto fix.
Ghetto fix. Exactly.
You gotta clean these tools. Alright, I got that.
Oh, you need a...
This is good.
Now, what are,
I'm gonna go with
do you
that.
do these bushings?
Yes, we are. We're gonna do those.
So,
So we're gonna pop
come in...
the uppers off,
Inside the car now.
and then we're gonna come in here, and we're gonna pop the radius arms, and pop the lowers, so we can get the spindle kind of off. We'll probably undo the brake line here, and pull it out. It's gonna be our best bet, and then we'll lay that out.
Yeah.
Pretty good shape.
Well,
See, this shit's all
I was
gone.
giving-
Yeah. For an Ohio car, this is actually impressive.
All right, here, I'll hold it and keep it from coming in.
There's lots of schmutz though.
I can't get it all the way up. Is that alright?
You don't want it to
They got
get
pills for
crooked.
that.
You want it to get... You want it to get flush.
The body of the wire.
Yeah, but it looks like it's all the way
There's
Yeah, what is that for?
what the hell? I don't know. We'll find that out
Is
later.
it hold?
That's probably good enough.
Excuse me.
We'll take a gander at that in a
Which
bit.
way am I going now?
Towards the inside of the car.
Righty tighty, lefty
Towards you,
loosey.
right?
Yeah.
I mean, there's shit like that on my car. It's because I put it there. You just like, pull something out.
Well, somebody put it there, so.
So it's the right way?
Yeah, you're going the right direction. You know, you probably take it off. Take off your socket. And, oh girl, bind this up against the arm. Like that. There. Now go to the other
come
side
do
and
it on
pop
this
it.
side, Peter. You can get a better view.
There you go.
Now the direction changes. doesn't it?
Now you gotta pull it towards you.
Oh, see?
There you go.
Great.
That's on there.
Yeah.
Now the brake line's in the way. Towards me? Just
Yeah,
towards out.
towards
Yeah.
Towards
Paul.
us, towards me.
One thing I gotta do, Mike, is I gotta make a big post on the Great Autos Facebook because I've been like slacking the last month for class. So I'm just gonna be like, here's all the shit we did in the last 5 weeks. It's gonna be this massive, like million picture,
grab a hold of
40 video link, insane. Look at us, we're going nuts.
Yeah, give it a yank.
You guys should all show up.
We both could grab a hold of
It's a good time.
two.
Oh, there.
There it went.
We got
All right, so get that down like we were,
Two
boys.
poles.
See, teamwork.
Teamwork.
took a photo
Alright.
of Chris. Alright, now where's mine?
Yeah, get that down a little, and then we'll bink, bink.
That one.
Look at us.
And then we're gonna come in here and get radius arms.
Alright, this goes down. Oh, how do people do this in the garage?
I've done
How
this
do you do it in
shit.
their driveway in the winter?
Yeah.
I've done
got
this
it.
shit on the floor for years.
Yeah, no, having a lift really makes this
Yeah.
not such a chore.
Yeah, if it was on the ground, you could do it. The weight wouldn't keep everything pressed together.
Yeah, because you have it on jack stands. I mean, you're laying on the floor. It's not fun.
But I guess
This is more civilized.
tires like on the backside.
Oh, my arms hurt.
Yeah, once the tire's up and off, it's fine. Yeah. Once it's dangling, it's dangling. All right, Peter's got that
So we
part.
need to pickle these top things now?
Yeah, you're gonna pickle the top things now,
Okay.
but you might be able to use the other tool. You want to try the other tool?
Yeah, we can. Do we need to loosen the bottoms first, or?
No, you're gonna do these top ones first. So let's grab the other tool.
What's this rubber thing doing
That goes trash. It's out of the sway
That's
bar.
trash.
So grab that tool there,
The gadget.
oh girl.
Oh, girl. All right. Hold on here. This thing.
Oh, I didn't see you do this before.
Now you're gonna stick
So much for the
and
gloves.
loosen that up.
So we're gonna go in here, like in
This
this.
is like the
Flip
third
her
pair
around.
already. I think you better go.
Oh wait, no, it goes. Oops.
Here we go.
We're going here, right?
No, go.
The other way.
Here.
Oh, girl. Oh, I see.
Loosen it up a little more. Okay, yeah, and then you gotta. There you go.
Oh,
Look
that's
at
a
that.
good one.
Now it's in. So just get
Oh.
your socket
Oh.
and just go boink.
Boink. No pickle fork.
No need for pickle fork at this juncture.
Oh dear.
Ready? You're gonna see something.
You got a glove on. You know, that was-
Is it gonna explode?
Yeah, is this gonna be like the bearings that blow up in my face?
No.
You just close your eyes when they pop.
I don't know why it goes.
You ready? We getting ready?
Yeah. Kind of rustic, but you
It's just starting to get a little. Oh God, this car's moving.
and you store it unless
don't
you
like
raise
that.
some coffee.
Yeah, they did it on the single.
Oh dear.
So I try to get it done.
So are the
That's obnoxious.
I told you it was gonna pop. You alright? Okay, now go do the other one.
pop it? Pop it.
Oh.
Put those mats down so our floor doesn't get all whacked out.
There we go. Grab the other one
So
for
lay
the
down
side.
first. We'll be over here.
Let's put the other one in.
Let's get these mats here.
Okay, that side's apart.
Yeah.
Now pop that one.